Welcome, in front of me is a Doogee S86 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, you will want to hold your power key and select shutdown. Once your phone turns off, you want to hold power key and the volume up at the same time. When you see this screen right over here, you can let go of those two keys and then only using volume up to navigate, select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then press volume down to confirm that option. Now once you see the recovery mode, you can now use both of the volume keys to navigate through this mode right here. And with that in mind, you want to select wipe cache partition right down here, confirm that with power key, select yes, and there we go. As you can see, cache wipe complete. Reboot system now is also selected by default, so press power key once more to just get back to your normal Android operating system. And as you can see, there we are. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.